Good evening, Northeast. Tonight, we celebrate legacy. We celebrate beauty with purpose. We celebrate the spirit of Northeast. And to the spirit of Northeast, can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, and all the viewers who are watching us tonight? Well, presenting the iconic, the ever-evolving Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 22nd edition. Clap, clap, everyone. For over 2 decades, this platform has not just crowned queens, it has created ambassadors, it has discovered voices, shaped confidence, and carried the grace of Northeast onto the national and international platforms. Wow. Totally powered by passion, backed by vision, and glowing brighter with every edition. This isn't just a pageant, it's a movement of culture, courage, and charisma. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 2026. I must say, our stunning Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast queens have officially cracked the code to that soft and smooth hair that lasts up to 100 hours. Yes, you heard that right, up to 100 hours of smoothness. And the secret? It's none other than the new Sunsilk Flowy Silk Smooth range. You can think of it as a liquid silk in a bottle. Yeah, no frizz, no fuss, just flawless, flowy hair that moves with you and not against you. Powered with 3% amino peptide complex, this range works deep within every strand to give you that silky smooth finish. The kind that turns heads and owns the spotlight. A huge thank you to Sunsilk India for bringing us the magic of the Sunsilk Flowy Silk Smooth range, and supported by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India Northeast, Incredible India, and India's Northeast Paradise Unexplored. Our title sponsor, once again, it's Sunsilk Flowy Silk Smooth Shampoo. Fashion partner, Trends. Furniture partner, Nilkamal. Beverage partner, Coca-Cola. Public relation, Lice Purple. Photography by Prashant Brahma. Flamingo, The Cafe, Komarguchi, Honapur. Pageant Times, Illumis Aesthetic Clinic, Look Good, Feel Better. And Top 5 Evening Gowns by Karan Thokcham from Manipur, KD Clothing. Of course, we have to thank Assam Don Bosco University, Honapur, Tebesia, Raju Riaz, Assam Institute of Home Baking, FPS Media, Savera Exclusive, Kavita Kesham Academy, Muffy's Makeover. Ladies and gentlemen, with your round of applause, welcome to the State Costume Round. Well, keep the energy growing. We love it. We absolutely love that. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this interesting round, the Sunsilk Challenge round. Sway the runway. I love this. This round celebrates movement, grace, and effortless charisma that turns every head in this room. It's not just about beautiful hair, mind it. It's about attitude, rhythm, silky smooth, flowy hair, and when you sway like silk, you don't just walk the ramp, you create a moment. Let the challenge begin then, ladies and gentlemen. And our shortlisted candidate for this challenge are... I would like to welcome with your round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, Karbom Taipodia from Arunachal Pradesh. Up next, Pile Marag from Tripura. A real challenge with grit and determination. Definitely clap, clap everyone. And moving on, let's welcome Rose Lalringeti from Mizoram. The next candidate is from Assam, Angelina Borua. Ladies and gentlemen, up next joining the challenge is Sanu Kumari from Assam. And ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Sunsilk Sway the Runway Challenge round. Can we have a round of applause for our challengers? Welcome to this segment. It's time to honor the exceptional women who have risen as the finest representative of their region, of their respective state, and of their pride. Presenting the Trends Mega Miss State winners. 8 powerful, 8 poised, and 8 passionate queens who have carried their state's pride with elegance and strength. And here's the announcement. Trends Mega Miss Assam goes to Diya Darshana. Congratulations. Congratulations. The next title is Trends Mega Miss Arunachal Pradesh, and it goes to... Yes, you are right. You could have been the MC. Carbon Taipodia. Congratulations. Let's welcome our next title winner, Trends Mega Miss Mizoram. And it goes to Rose Ladringete. Congratulations. Up next, Trends Mega Miss Manipur. And this honor goes to Lamapokmam Ganapiari. Congratulations. Congratulations, and up next, Trends Mega Miss Meghalaya. Any guesses? Come again? Yes, you're correct. Telorika Kongshne. Congratulations. Up next, Trends Mega Miss Nagaland, and it is honored to Moon. Congratulations! The next state title is Trends Mega Miss Sikkim. Trends Mega Miss Sikkim this year is absolutely correct. Tenzing Shoten Sherpa, congratulations. And ladies and gentlemen, we are left with one state and we have to honor one candidate, Trends Mega Miss Tripura. Last but certainly not the least, why don't you become the MC for the evening? Payal Mara, congratulations. So, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for our 8 state winners? You have, girls, definitely made your respective state proud. Once again, a huge round of applause to our MMNE 8 state winners of 2026. This is Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 22nd edition, and as we move ahead, it's time to recognize 3 special standouts, candidates who brought that extra spark, that extra edge, that unforgettable presence based on various parameters, right from audition, grooming, and to the grand finale stage. Well, I have to announce 3 special categories under this subtitle awards. And the first sub-award is Coca-Cola Refreshing Beauty. Coca-Cola Refreshing Beauty for the one who radiated freshness, positivity, and that charm that lit up the entire stage. And the winner is from Sikkim, Tenzing Shoten Sherpa. Congratulations! Voted, loved and celebrated, built her tribe of supporters. It's Nilkamal Miss Popular. And I would like to welcome on stage Mr. Vijay Kasbe and Miss Varsha on stage to do the honor. Thank you so much for joining us. Welcome on board, Mr. Vijay Kasbe and Miss Varsha. And they give away this subtitle award, Nilkamal Miss Popular. And the award goes to, from Mizoram, Sara Malsamluangi. Congratulations! One more subtitle to announce. Sunsilk Sway Icon for that silk smooth flowy hair that receives an auto entry into the top 12. And the winner is from Assam, Sanu Kumari. Congratulations! Thank you, ma'am, for honoring. Thank you. Congratulations. Welcome to the top 5 interview round. Are you guys all set? All right? You all are ready, I suppose? And to welcome our top 5 one by one onto the stage for the interview round, may I welcome our finalist of this edition from Manipur, Jocelyn Laishangthem, once again back on stage with your round of applause. Settled? All the best for your interview round. All right?
Thank you, sir.
Don't be nervous. With your confidence. Now, the thing is, you will be asked a question from our honorable judge, and the question shall be asked by Robert Naurim. Over to you, honorable judge.
Congratulations, Jocelyn.
Thank you, sir.
Please listen to the question carefully. What do you believe is the most underrated strength of Northeast women, and how can it inspire the world? I'll repeat the question again. What do you believe is the most underrated strength of Northeast women, and how it can inspire the world?
Thank you so much for the question, sir. Northeast women has incredible strength. I say this because as a Northeast woman, growing up, I faced bullied, body shaming, and judgment. But once I realized that people, actions, and word doesn't define my word, everything began to change. I started to love myself, accept myself, and believe in myself. And I believe that that's the greatest strength the Northeast women have. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Can we have a round of applause for our finalist? Let's welcome our next finalist, as you rightfully know, from Meghalaya, Stellarika Kongsni, onto the stage. Congratulations for making it to top 5, and now it's your interview round. And guess what? Who shall be asking the question? Monica Devi, over to you.
Hello, Sterilica.
Hello, ma'am.
You're looking lovely.
Thank you, ma'am.
And my question is, how would you choose your style and identity to inspire the young women in the Northeast?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the question. Well, I believe that we women of the Northeast are already very beautiful and stylish. But for me, I believe that beauty lies within. And if we are able to shine the beauty from within, we will be able to be stylish automatically. And so I think that we should embrace ourselves, love ourselves, and inspire others as well so that they too will be able to love themselves. Thank you.
Well said. All the best, all the best. And with that lovely answer, may I now welcome our next finalist from Nagaland, N. Kratsutsu, with your round of applause. You're looking stunning, and congratulations again.
Thank you so much.
And
sir.
now you have an interview with Yugen Tamang. Over to you.
Good evening, young lady.
Good evening, sir.
You look amazingly gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. So, my question to you would be, what kind of influence do you want to have on young girls of Northeast watching you tonight? You want me to repeat it one more time?
What kind of influence I want the young youths of Northeast to see in me is the hospitality I carry. I come from a humble state where hospitality has been taught from a very young age, and I carry that within me, the culture, the tradition, and the rich way of life we carry in a humble way. Thank you so much, sir.
Let's welcome Tenjing Shoren Sherpa from Sikkim. Congratulations, and you look fiercely beautiful, and all the best. And you have an interview with Mr. Mohit Naru. Over to you.
Yeah, good evening, Tenzing.
Good evening, sir.
And you look stunningly beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
And congratulations for making it to this level.
Thank you, sir.
My question to you is, as a woman of Northeast region, how would you represent Northeast to the rest of the world? I repeat, as a woman from Northeast region, how would you represent Northeast to the rest of the world?
Thank you, sir, for the question. I think as a woman of the Northeast, I would represent my culture, my roots, my values wherever I go, because whenever I go outside, I would take my values, morals with me. I would shine with the roots, the culture that I learned from my home, because the strength comes from home. I believe that the strength is what keeps you shining whenever you're out. Personally, I stay out of my hometown, and I know the racism that the Northeastern people face outside. It is maybe because of the color of our skin, maybe because of the size of our eyes, maybe because the language we speak. But then what keeps me going is the strength, the roots that I come from. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. And preparing for the interview, let's welcome Laima Pokpam Ganapyari Devi from Manipur, our finalist. look pretty, and yes, this is amazing to see you here with your answers and with your presentation. Now you have an interview with Neha Borwa. Over to you.
Thank you so much.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
You look stunning and many, many congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So the question for you is, how would you encourage women from Northeast who feels left out or have lost their hope?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question again?
Sure. How would you encourage women from Northeast who feels left out or have lost all their hope?
Well, thank you for the beautiful question, ma'am. Hailing from the beautiful place like Manipur, we have faced immense struggles from Manipur as well due to the recent challenges that happens in Manipur. There, many women faces difficulties and they lose hope. But to my Northeast people, I want to say something that be yourself, love yourself first. We have our voice and that's what matters. When we have our voice, we have the courage, discipline, respect to represent ourselves, to be the voice of ourselves, and also ignite thousands of girls. And one thing we always should remember is that woman is a strong individual, a mother, a sister, and a wife. And as a woman, I'm sitting here. To all of you watching me tonight, I want to be a message. I want to be an inspiration for you to come out of your comfort zone, to live your life. We only live once, and I want to make it remarkable. And that is why I love Mega Entertainment for giving me this opportunity. And I would be honored if I could represent my beautiful Northeast into the international stage. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Well said. Well, those were our finalists who answered those questions from the judges. And yeah, that was nice on the Neil Kamal Luke's chairs. And ladies and gentlemen, we will be back with the results soon. You are watching Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 22nd edition 2026. Stay tuned. We will be right back. Behind every powerful platform is a powerful vision. It's time to put your hands together for the visionary founder of MMNE, of course, the incredible, supremely talented Mr. Abhijit Sinha.
The winner of Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 22nd edition is Meghalaya Strela. Congratulations, Shrela, and welcome to the MMNE family. The next winner of Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 22 edition is Sikkim Tenzing. The final winner of Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 22 edition. Ladies, can we have you here? And the final winner of Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 22nd edition is Manipur Ghanapriya. Ladies and gentlemen, a proud moment for the entire Northeast India for getting our brand new winners of Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast, Meghalaya, Manipur and Sikkim.